Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 14th, 2021, and we told you all in our community post yesterday which stock would you like to see a price prediction for, and you all can see right here that Plug Power definitely won out. 59% of you all who voted decided that we need to do a price prediction in the market for Plug Power, and we will. We're going to give you all the expectation as to where price is going to go in the market for Plug Power so that we can profit from it. So if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate it. As always, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're here to show you that you don't have to spend a whole lot of time looking at charts, placing indicators on the chart. You don't have to waste a whole lot of time trying to get a leg up on fundamental analysis, because all of that is pointless. The only thing that really matters in the market is the price. That's it. Once you understand that, you can literally eliminate all of that confusion that so many people on YouTube try to dispel to you as if it's beneficial, and it's not. The cleaner the chart, the better you are off, for real. Okay, so let's do this real quick. We're going to give you all an update on Plug Power. As you all can see on this price chart, we did a price prediction in the market in Plug Power all the way back here on February the 26th. And we expected the market to go lower in price. We've identified that Plug Power was in a downward trajectory. It was going lower. And we created, I want you all to see this. This is how you're able to plan out your next move in anticipation of where the trap is going to take the price. We've already knew that the market was in a downtrend, and there were points in trading that lets us know that the market in Plug Power was still weak. I mean, we've seen 2 consecutive days right there, March the 1st and then on March the 2nd, that confirmed that Plug Power was still in a downward move. The trap always tells us what's going to happen in the market. And on those 2 days, even though you saw the market go higher in price, you could have been relaxed because you know how to read what the trap is laying out for us. He told us on those 2 days that the trend is still intact and he's not ready to break it. And since that moment, you all can see that Plug Power came and ultimately took out our TP price right there around $35, right? So congratulations, 21.5%. We saw that all the way back here on February the 26th. We were on point. Excellent job. So now that's over. We need to get rid of it. And now we need to see something else. Okay. Because we've seen something occur in the market in Plug. And what do you think it is? Exactly. We broke the trend. The market in Plug Power is no longer in a downward trend. So we can eliminate that from our mind and say that the market in Plug Power is no longer in a downtrend, not right now. So we're going to take this line and we're simply going to hug it for support. Okay. Which is right there around $37. Okay. Well, $37.50. That's the base. That's support. And you can even see on a daily time frame that we're seeing the market in Plug Power every day trading above this ascending line. So yeah, we're in an upward move in Plug Power. Now the question that I need to ask you is, where is the next area of selling? Where would you expect the market to pump its brakes? Where would you expect us to see the stoppage of higher price? Where? Let's see. On the 2-day time frame, can you see it around $50? Can you see it around $53? Let's see if we can see a little bit better on the 3-day time frame. You really don't see too much of an area of restriction in the market in Plug Power on these varying time frames. You don't. I can see a little bit better, maybe around $50 to 52 is where I'm seeing the market and Plug Power find some restriction. Okay, I definitely like the weekly time frame, for the market and Plug Power to go higher. I like it a lot. I definitely would expect the market and Plug Power to go higher based off the weekly time frame, right there on the 3 weeks. it's pretty good. You know, we still have 12 days and 3 hours left, so I'm not going to be too reliant on it because a lot can happen within the next 12 days in the market in Plug Power. But I like it. So what do you all think the market in Plug Power is going to do? Because when we're looking at this, we're definitely looking for the market in Plug Power to go higher. I want to look at this on the 3 hour. And again, you all can see that the area restriction, the first area is going to be $50. Okay. And then the next area that I'm looking for in Plug Power is right there around $54 to $55. Okay. That's it. Okay, so we got $50 as our first area of restriction, and then the next one's going to be around 54. Definitely look like the market may try to tag out 54 on a weekly chart. Okay, so let's play that out in the market in Plug Power. We're going to continue to play the strength. We like it, and we would TP the market in Plug Power around $50 first. I.e. we will skim off a little bit there. It's still 6%. I mean, that's very good within the stock market to bag out, 6% in profit. But then I'm going to take it all the way up there to around $54.50. That's about 15% that we can see this market in Plug Power go higher. And I'm definitely in tune with that in the market for Plug Power. Okay. So what we're going to do on this particular video, we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in Plug Power, and definitely we trade above $37.50. We're going to get the market in Plug Power trade sideways and go higher right there. That's it. And it's not hard. It's not confusing. We are already in a position, and we're going to play the strength into the market in Plug Power. Now, it might happen on Monday. It might happen relatively quick, or it might take a couple of trading days before we actually see the market in Plug Power tag out around $54.50. Okay, but again, this weekly chart lets me know that we still have a little bit more gas in the tank to continue to increase this price. So we're in position. This is what we're seeing in the market right now in Plug Power. We're going to anticipate the market to continue increase in price. We have eliminated the prospect of Plug Power going lower. So now the only two options that's left on the table is for us to continue to trade sideways and go higher. That's it. That's not confusing. So now, what do you all think in the market for Plug Power? Are we going to go higher? We're going to go lower? I need you all to tell me with a comment in the comment section. We're building this community of people who strictly focusing in on price and what the trap has laid down for us. That's it. We don't look at articles. We don't focus in on fundamental analysis or even technical analysis. We simply look at the language of the price. That's it. Questions, comments, let us know. And as always, make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.